Something big is happening in mobile marketing right now. Costs are rising, attribution is breaking, and marketers everywhere are suddenly flying blind. In 2025, signal loss isn't just a challenge anymore. It's the new reality. And if you don't adapt now, your campaigns will pay the price.
Welcome back to the Apptrove channel. Today, we are talking about something every app marketer and app owner needs to understand. Why signal loss is accelerating, what's causing the attribution gaps, and how modern measurement is becoming the only way to stay ahead. Signal loss simply means this: the user level data you used to get from platforms is shrinking. Privacy updates, limited tracking, consent prompts, and changing ecosystem rules are all cutting visibility across the entire funnel. What used to be clear and trackable is now fragmented, delayed, or completely missing. And this is affecting every channel: Google, Meta, TikTok, SDK networks, and even Pragmatic. This creates chaos for marketers. Meta says one thing, Google says another. Your internal analytics show something entirely different. And when every source tells a different story, you're left with one option: guesswork. Guessing which campaigns work, guessing what creative to scale, guessing how to allocate the budgets. 2025 is the turning point because multiple privacy changes are hitting the industry at the same time. More restrictions, more anonymization, more modeling, and less real-time clarity. This year marks the shift from platform-controlled measurement to independent measurement. This is where we, Apptrove, come in. Today's attribution isn't just install tracking, it's signal reconstruction. It's combining deterministic data, contextual cues, modeled predictions, and in-app behaviors to tell a complete story. With a modern MMP like us, you can rebuild the clarity that platforms no longer give you. You get attribution that makes sense, you get clean data, and you get the real truth behind your marketing performance. There's another challenge: fraud. When signals weaken, fraud becomes harder to spot. Fake installs look more real. Click flooding slips through, attribution cracks. Budget drains faster. This is why strong fraud prevention paired with attribution is essential. Without it, you are optimizing on corrupted data. And with paid channels becoming unpredictable, web-to-app journeys are becoming critical. Deep linking, custom routing, and personalized journeys give brands control over conversion funnels again. In a world where signals are fading, owned channels become your strongest assets. So, what is the future? Independent measurement, privacy-safe modeling, unified reporting, smarter deep linking, real-time insights, and most importantly, full clarity even when platforms offer less. Signal loss isn't the end of mobile marketing. It's the beginning of a smarter, more transparent era. And with the right mobile measurement partner, you don't lose clarity, you gain it. If you want more videos on attribution, campaign optimization, deep linking, and mobile growth strategies, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to check the links in description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.